ಎನ್ಆರ್ ಕಾಲೋನಿಯ ಎಪಿಎಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಮೈದಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ದೂರಿಯಾಗಿ 78ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಗಣ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳು, ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿ, ಬೋಧಕೇತರ ಸಿಬ್ಬಂದಿ ವರ್ಗ, ಅಪಾರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪೋಷಕರು ಮೇರೆ ಮೀರಿದ ದೇಶಭಕ್ತಿಯ ನಡುವೆ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಿರಿಯ ನ್ಯಾಯವಾದಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕೆಎಸ್ಸಿಎಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಎ ಶಂಕರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷ ಸಿಎ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಭರತ್ ಆಲಂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಧ್ವಜಾರೋಹಣವನ್ನು ನೆರವೇರಿಸಿದರು.
Parade Commander, Company Senior Under Officer, Suraj M, 6A, Bar.
परेड शुरू करने के लिए अनुमति देता हूं श्रीमान। जय श्रीमान।
Company 7.
गुजराएंगे नंबर 1 लंडन। ओके
ಇದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳ ಅನಂತ ವಾರ್ತೆ ತ್ರೈಮಾಸಿಕ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯನ್ನ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಯಿತು.
Thank you all. My now request CA Dr. Vishnu Bharat Alappalli, President.
ಕಾನ್ಟೈಮ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ನ ಸಿಇಒ ಸುಂದರ್ ಕಣ್ಣನ್ ದಂಪತಿಯನ್ನ ಗೌರವಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಎಪಿಎಸ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಶಾಲೆಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಂದ ಮದರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೋ ಮತ್ತು ತ್ರಿವರ್ಣ ಪಥ ಸಂಚಲನ ಆಕರ್ಷಣೀಯವಾಗಿತ್ತು.
After that, APS Polytechnic Borivali.
ನರ್ಮದಾ ಘಟಕದ ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ವಿಕಲಚೇತನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಂದ ನಡೆದಂತಹ ಪಥ ಸಂಚಲನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆರೆದಿದ್ದವರ ಗಮನ ಸೆಳೆಯಿತು.
APS Rural High School, Somanahಳ್ಳಿ. APS PU College. ಆಚಾರ್ಯ ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ ಪಾಲಿಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್.
ಕೆಸಿಎಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಎ ಶಂಕರ್ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರೂ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶೇಷ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ನೀಡಬೇಕು. ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಸ್ತು, ಸಂಯಮ ಮತ್ತು ದಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಎಂದರು.
It's again privilege for me to associate once again with Mr. Shankar. We were together at the KSC on various occasions, and I'm very glad today they are here on the stage. I should thank for this opportunity given. Now, at the outset, let me thank our chief guest, Mr. and Mrs. Sundar Kannan, who have come here and graced the occasion. I would like to express on behalf of myself and on behalf of the trust a hearty vote of thanks to you, sir. But I would like to express vote of thanks to our President, Shri Dr. Vishnu Bharat, who has been very dynamic in his approach and he has always been very consistent in his movements. We appreciate in the board, and I really say that he is a thorough president for our institution. I thank you, Dr. Vishnu Bharat. I would like to thank all the visitors who have come here on this occasion, and it is an Independence Day celebrations being celebrated throughout the country in a grand scale. And here in our APS, we have celebrated as usual at the same venue. I would like to express thanks for the students, the teachers, and all the visitors who have come here. Once again, I thank all the members present, and I thank the committee members.
ಸಿಎ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಭರತ್ ಆಲಂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ಕ್ರೀಡೆ, ಪಠ್ಯೇತರ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿಕೊಂಡು ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿತ್ವ ರೂಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರು.
to deliver the presidential address.
My dear students, the pillars of this institution, the faculty, honorable guests, my fellow trustees, a very good morning to all of you. I feel really proud, honored to be the president, so happy to greet and wish you 78th Independence Day. My dear children, the years ahead are going to be very bright. We are going to be a third largest economy. We have started having Shukradashi, so nobody in the world can catch us. 8% of the growth is not imaginable. If it continues for a decade, so we will be somewhere much more than anybody. So you will be the proud citizens of India. So have soul and whole this one to be a proud citizen of this country. At APS, we can celebrate Independence Day not only as Independence Day, also our anniversary. We have successfully completed 89 years. We are stepping into 90th year. This is the year 15th of August 1935. Our founder, great visionary, Professor Anantacharya, had vision to start this institution 12 years before this independence. It is such a coincidence, it happens to be on the 15th of August 1935, APS takes the birth and India gets its freedom in 1947, 15th August. Such is the way we will celebrate in a very glamorous, glorified way, and as you are seeing in the grounds, and henceforth they will continue at the cultural shows on national interest. I am indeed very happy that my very, very good friend, senior advocate and also General Secretary of Karnataka State Cricket Board is here with us today. It has a feeling that the entire cricket board is with us today. Mr. A.P. Acharya, I.S. Prasad, Mr. Gurudevaya are also the part of the Karnataka Cricket Board. We have a large ground at Somanhalli, which we have 100 acres of land. Mr. A.P. Acharya has taken the initiative and made a cricket ground. We wanted to request Mr. Shankar, who is the secretary of the board, to be partner with us and develop that ground for the 2020 matches, international matches, and make this as a test pitch. We have such a large ground. We have brought a ground of 3 acres, which is efficient for the cricket ground. This also could be developed. Let the cricket board give a helping hand to see that we can have that big dream of ours to make a glorified cricket pitch. Mr. Shankar was a chartered accountant. I was heading the Southern India Regional Council and I had to suspend his chartered accountancy to make him advocate. Today he has become a senior advocate. You know, a very handful senior advocates are there in Bangalore. Senior tax advocate, his first name comes A. Shankar. No senior advocates indulge in other activities because the time is money for them, not for Shankar. He has spared few hours for us. He has paid so much of time for the cricket board because of his love and interest in the cricket. He is there and he is a very popular secretary there. So we wish you all the best, Mr. Shankar, and try to do something for us to develop the Achomani also at the APS grounds in NR Colony. I am also happy that Mr. Sundar Kannan, who happened to I just accidentally met him on the other day and I knew what he is. When he knew that I am heading this institution, he volunteered himself. I said I wanted to do something good service. I wanted to see that the children of today comes up tomorrow and they also become like me to be a world famed healthcare unit he has got. So such is the reputation. My dear children, you are extremely lucky for having born in this generation. You have glorious future. India is going to be the prosperous country. All because you can be the part of India, you will be the proud citizens of this country. So make yourself prepare for that. So you have our faculty who can shape you, mold you for to be a good citizen, good academician, good teacher and good in everything. So that is how Bharat Ratna, C.N.R. Rao, Padma Vibhushan, Rukram Narasimha, superstar Rajinikanth, all have started from this institution. This is the temple for the education. So try to worship the goddess Saraswati, who will be always with you. So try to make it excel your career. As Shankar said, glorify your future. Bring glory to your parents, glory to this institution, glory to the country. That should be your aim, that should be your goal. Having born in India, I told you, you are the luckiest people. To be in Bangalore, even more luckier you are. No threat of the weather, no threat of enemy, no threat of anything. You are in the same place. Having being in APS, you are even more safe. Mr. Shankar, we welcome them as twinkle twinkle little stars, and our aim is to make it APS superstars. Children, what you have demonstrated to us today, no words to express. We were stunned. All the trustees who are here, the guests are there, all of us were taken to a real happiness that to see all of you from kindergarten to the engineering graduates. We have wonderstruck, and apart from that, the teachers who accompanied and participated in the march past, I salute them. The physically impaired children, they have participated in the march. KG students have participated in the march. Such a thing we are not seen anywhere. It is always in APS. That's why APS is always best. North or south, east or west, APS is best. APS is always going to be the best. You have glorious future. India is prospering. Day in day, we are seeing the changes. As a agriculture we failure, industry we failure, but we caught up with the IT and BT industry, and that gave the boost, and all other sectors are helping. The Indians, the whole world is looking for Indians because they know that we are target oriented, God fearing, we are dedicated, devoted, and we are for everything. Your future, you may not even know what you are going to, where you are going to land up. Such is the thing. All that education is the gateway for the development and the progress. You have to have a proper education to glorify your life. May I request all of you from APS to try to achieve excel in your life, try to come out in flying colors. We have several ranks coming. APS Public School 100% results from inception. APS Engineering College is catching up and 100% results in the final year. APS Commerce College follows. APS PU College gets 99% in the rural school, 98% in the city campus. Arts and Science, second rank, for MA we have got it. So we are catching up. So please don't sleep unless you achieve something in the life. Make yourself glorify your life. Thank you very much.
ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಇವತ್ತು ತುಂಬ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ದಿನ. ನಮ್ಮ APS ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ 89 ವರ್ಷ ಮುಗಿಸಿ 90ನೇ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ವಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ದಿ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ವಿತ್ ಅವರ್ ಆ್ಯನಿವರ್ಸರಿ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಬಹಳ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ವಿಭಿನ್ನವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟು ಈ KG ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಜುಯೇಟ್ಸ್ ತನಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯರು ಅದರ ಪ್ರೊಸಿಷನ್ ಬಂದರು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟೀಸು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಶಂಕರ್, ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ and also the secretary for Karnataka State Cricket Board. He is the guest, and Mr. Sundar Kannan anta ಅವರು USA ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕೇರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರಂತ ಮಾಡಿದವರು. He is the guest of honor. I would like to hear from them what is their feeling about today's function.
I think the kids did a very good performance. Everybody performed to their best possible way. I'm really appreciative of all the things, and I'm honored to be called for this meeting.
ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್, ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಈ ಕಾಲ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ಕಾಲಿಲ್ಲದ ಅಶ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಗೂನಾದರೇನು, ನನಗಿಲ್ಲದ ವಿಶ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾದರೇನು ಇರೋ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸೇರಿ ಬರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತಿದ್ದೆ, ವಿಷ್ಣು ಭರತಿಂದ ಬಂದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದರಿಂದ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಇಂದಿನ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಮತ್ತು ಇತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಗಳಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟಿಂದ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ಎ ಗುಡ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಓಕೆ, ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. 78ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ, ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ, LKG ಇಂದ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ತನಕ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕದವರು ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟು ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು ಅಬೌಟ್ 70 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 50% ಬಂದು ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಯಿತು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್.
Good wishes from my side, and this is the 98th year that APS Acharya institutions have been founded, and I wish it a grand success.
ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಭಾಳ ಯಶಸ್ವಿಯಾಗಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಂತೂ ಸೂಪರಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಾರ್ವಲಸ್. ಐ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.
ಸೊ 70 ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಯಿತು, ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ಲಾಗಿ ನಡೀತು, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು August 15, 1935 ಅದು ಒಂದು ಈ ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ದಿನ ಬಿದ್ದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಇದರಿಂದ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡೀತೆ. ಈ 90ನೇ ದಿವಸಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. 90 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಇತಿಹಾಸ ಇದೆ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್.